Very good morning to all. I am TV Lakshmi. Now I would like to discuss about the full subtractor. The full subtractor is a 3 input and 2 output combination logic circuit. It subtracts two 1-bit numbers A, B and borrow input B in, and the outputs are difference and borrow out. When you subtract two binary numbers A and B each having n bits, in the LSB bits there are 2 bits only, that is the A0 and B0. When subtract the A0 and B0 we can use off subtractor, but other than LSB they may have the 3 bits. Those are binary borrow input and that binary inputs A and B. So we have to use this full subtractor which have 3 inputs and outputs are difference and borrow out. We have to follow the 4 steps to design any combinational logic circuit. That first step is identify the inputs and outputs. In this first step, that full subtractor having outputs are difference and borrow out. Inputs are A, B and borrow input. Next, second step is preparing the truth table. The truth table consists of outputs and all possible inputs. Inputs are 3 bits. So that possible inputs are from 0, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1. Here we write the all possible inputs, that is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1 up to 1, 1, 1. Let us see the difference and borrow out. That is 0 minus 0 equal to 0 and 0. Here 0, 0, 1. 0 minus 0 equal to 0 and 0 minus 1 equal to, we cannot subtract 1 from the 0. So we have to take the borrow 1, that is borrow 1. When you take the borrow 1, that will be 1, 0. 1, 0 minus 1 equal to 1. Similarly 0 minus 1. 0 minus 1, when you take the borrow 1, it will be 1, 0. 1, 0 minus 1 equal to 1 and 1 minus 0 equal to 1. Here also 0 minus 1. We take the borrow 1, then it will be 1, 0. 1, 0 minus 1 equal to 1. Here 1 minus 0 equal to 1. 1 minus 0 equal to 1. So difference is 1, borrow is 0. 1 minus 0. That is 1. 1 minus 1. 0. Difference is 0, borrow is also 0. Here 1 minus 1 equal to 0. 0 minus 0 equal to 0. So borrow is 0 and difference is also 0. 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Here we have to subtract 0, 1 from the 0. 1 minus 1, 0. 0 minus 1. So we have to take the borrow, that is 1. When you take the borrow, then the 0 will be 1, 0. 1, 0 minus 1 equal to 1. After writing the truth table, you have to write the minimized Boolean expressions by using K-maps or Boolean algebra. Here we write the minimized Boolean expression by using the K-map. Here inputs are 3 inputs. So here we have taken the 3 input K-map, that is the A, B, B in. Here the difference outputs are one for the 0, 0, 1, and 0, 0, 1, 1 and 0, 1, 0, 1. That is the 0, 1, 0, it is 1. Next 1, 0, 0. 1, 0, 0, it is 1. Next 1, 1, 1, it is 1. 1, 1, 1, it is a 1. The logical expressions for this one is the 0, 0, 1, that is A bar, B bar, B in. For this cell 0, 1, 0. So it is a bar, B, B in bar. For this 1, 0, 0, that is A, B bar, B in bar. For this cell 1 1 1, that is A B B in. So the logical expression for the difference is A bar B bar B in plus A bar B B in bar plus A B bar B in bar plus A B B in. That is the logical expression for the difference. Next you have to write the logical expression for the borrow out. That borrow out equal to n borrow out is logic 1 for the inputs 0 0 1. Here we write the 1 for the 0 0 1. Next for 0 1 0 0 1 0 also 1. Next 0 1 1 0 1 1, that is also 1. Next 1 1 1, that borrow output is 1. Here 1 1 1, we write the 1. And we can make these two ones as one group and these two ones as another group, and to cover this one we can make these two ones as one group. When you write the logical expression for these groups, for this group it is the 0 and it covers the 0 1 and 1 0. This 0 1 will be cancelled, then this is the 0 A bar and B in. For this group it is the 0 n 1 1 1 0. This 1 and 0 will be cancelled, so logical expression is A bar B. And for this group it is the 0 1. These two are complemented to each other, so the term A will be cancelled. The remaining variables are B and B in. Here 1 1, so we write the B B in. Then B out equal to A bar B in plus A bar B plus B B in. That is a logical expression for the B out. For the difference we get the A bar B in plus A bar B in bar plus A B bar B in bar plus A B B in. Now we got the logical expression for the difference and borrow out. That difference logical expression is A bar B in plus A bar B in bar plus A B bar B in bar plus A B B in. That equal to A exclusive on B exclusive on B in. And we got the logical expression for B out equal to A bar B in plus A bar B plus B B in. We can realize this logic diagram for this Boolean expressions by using exclusive OR gates, AND gate, OR gate and inverter. That is for difference A exclusive OR B exclusive OR B in. By taking two exclusive OR gates we can realize this A exclusive OR B exclusive OR B in. This is the first exclusive OR gate. That output of this exclusive OR gate is A exclusive OR B, and for the output of this exclusive OR gate is A exclusive OR B exclusive OR B in. That is the difference output. For the borrow out A bar B in, and we take the inverter to get the A bar, and it is the A bar B in plus A bar B. Here it is the A bar and it is the B. A bar B, the output of this AND gate is A bar B, and it is the B in that is connected to the OR gate. Then we get the B out equal to A bar B in plus A bar B plus B in. That is a circuit diagram, logic diagram for the full subtractor. Then outputs are difference equal to A exclusive OR B exclusive OR B in, and B out equal to A bar B in plus A bar B plus B in. This A exclusive OR B, that is the difference output for the half subtractor, and A bar B for the borrow out of the half subtractor. Let us try. Can we realize this full subtractor circuit by using the half subtractors? Because the difference is A exclusive OR B for the half subtractor, and the full subtractor difference output is A exclusive OR B exclusive OR B in. and borrowed is for the half subtractant a bar b. Here it is the a bar b plus b being a bar b. This is the borrow output for the full subtractant, that is a bar b plus a bar b b. Here it is the a bar b and it is multiplied with the b bar plus b. When it is multiplied b bar plus b, it is the a bar b in b bar plus a bar b in b plus a bar b, that is also multiplied with the b in bar plus b in plus b b in. It will be a bar b in b bar plus a bar b in b, and it is the a bar b b in bar plus a bar b b in plus b b in, that equal to a bar b in b bar a bar b in b. When you take the b in is common, it will be a bar b bar plus a bar b. When you take the here a bar b, it will be b in plus b in bar plus b in, and it is the plus b b in. Here it is the a bar b in and b in plus b in bar. This will be 1 and 1 plus b in equal to 1. So this term b in plus b in bar plus b in will be 1. So we can write this as a bar b, and it is the b in a bar b bar plus a bar b b in. We are multiplying with the a plus a bar, then we get the b in a bar b bar plus ab here. When you take the b in as common, it will be ab, and it is a bar b plus b in a bar. Here it is the b in a bar b bar plus ab plus a bar b into 1 plus, here it is the 1. When you take the a bar b as a common, there is a 1 plus b in 1 plus b in 1 plus any variable equal to 1. It will be a bar b, and this term a bar b bar plus ab, that equal to a exclusion not b, that is the a exclusion or b whole bar, that equal to b in a exclusion not b plus a bar b. This is the one half subtractant, that is the outputs are a exclusion or b and borrow equal to a bar b. That is the difference of the half subtractant and borrow for the half subtractor. Here for full subtractor we got difference equal to a exclusion or b exclusion or b. So this a exclusion or b output of first subtractor half subtractor is connected to the one of the inputs of the this exclusive OR gate. Another input is b in. Then we get the output at the second exclusive OR gate is a exclusive OR b exclusive OR b in. And the borrow output is a exclusive NOR b. Here we get the exclusive OR that is the a exclusive OR b. Here we got the a exclusive NOR, that is a exclusive OR b whole bar. So here we connect the NOT gate to get the exclusive NOR operation of the a and b, that is a exclusive NOR b, that is a exclusive OR b whole bar, that into b in. To realize this b in into a exclusive NOR b, here we use the one AND gate, and to get the a bar b, it is a by connecting NOT gate to the a we get the a bar, and by connecting the b to the another input of the this AND gate we get a bar b. To get borrow a bar b plus b in a exclusive NOR b, that is here it is the one of subtractant and it is the another of subtractant. By connecting the these two of subtractant and one OR gate, we can realize the full subtractor. Thank you all.